Hi baby, I'm your mom. I think you're a boy.
Hi baby, I'm your dad. I think you are a girl.
Hi baby, I'm your Tulu Mamu. I expect girl.
Hi son, I'm your Tulu Baba. We are waiting for you on May. Welcome to here. Thank you.
Hi baby, I'm your mom. I think you are a boy.
Hi baby, I'm your Didi. I already know who you are.
Hi baby, I'm your Tulu Baba. I think you are boy.
I'm your uncle. It doesn't matter it's boy or girl, but I'm expecting little princess, okay?
Hi baby, I'm your Tulu Baba or uncle. And likewise, Rahul said, we are really happy and we're just waiting for you here. Either you are a girl or boy, welcome to our world.
Hello baby, I'm your aunt. I think you are a boy. We're gonna talk to you directly after 9 months face to face. Welcome this world.
Hi baby, I'm your Tulu Mamu. I think you are a little princess. We are eager to welcome you.
Hi baby, I'm your Tulu Mamu. I think you are a baby boy.
Hi baby, I'm your uncle. So might be you are a baby boy.
Hi baby, I'm your Tulu Baba. I think you're a boy.
Hi baby, I'm your Tulu Mamu. तिमी के छौ भन्ने कुरा मलाई अलरेडी थाहा छ. तिमी राम्रोसँग आऊ, रेडी भएर आऊ, त्यही नै.
Hi baby, I'm your Dada. I don't care what you are. Welcome.
1, 2, 3, go!
Kimi hala na
Go.
Angry me khade.
Okay.
Team boy!
Kaya ल्याउने angry गर्छ. सुनिलजीलाई निकै राम्रो सम्भावना देखाएको थियो यहाँ.
मेरो छोराले केक भन्नु गर्नेलाई
जैसा नहीं सब तो काट्दा खेरि अलि पिछा गरेर काट
भन्ने भाइ कसरी बसेर हुन्छ त
ओ यहाँ छ भित्र ए माथिकोमा केही छ र
हेर त केक
केही छैन है यहाँ त
Happy January!
हेर त केक उता सानो
2, 3, go! I tell you!
मेरो पेशेन्स लेभल हाई भइसक्यो.
Guys, ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Team go!
Let's
New.